Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 10. So it says text. You can put text anywhere you'd like on the screen using the text block. Read the documentation by clicking on the block in the toolbox to see how to change the size and color of your text. All right, so let's see where that is. If we click on here, all right, it's going to open this up. And this is going to give us all the really, really cool information that will help us. So where it says changing color and size, so text size, text align, text font, all of this stuff should look familiar for those who did the Unit 2 on web development. Um, so now we get to use it in our animations. All right, so over here, let's go back. It says do this. Change the displayed text in the provided code. Replace the text in the text block that says change me and add another text block. Add another sentence in a different part of the screen. Add a second text block and change the X and Y located in the block. All right, so if we run this and just see what it looks like, it says change me and add another text blocks. All right, so let's say, what's the best class in the school? So reset and run. And then we're going to add in another text block. So, all right, we're going to add that in here. And we're going to say computer science, of course. And if that one's at 15,200, then this one's going to be, so X is going to be across. Let's say this one's going to be 150 and this one's going to be 250. All right. And just to play around with it, let's make the text size 24. And let's see how that looks. Yeah, there we go. All right, so there we go. We've done what we needed to do. So we're going to click on finish, and I'll see you on the next level.